Hey guys, I'm back. It's Leah K Food again. Okay, so today we're gonna be making my favorite breakfast. And instead of just fried eggs, scrambled eggs, piece of toast and butter, that's like so bland. But this is so good, but you can make it really quickly and easily. Today we're gonna be making my favorite breakfast. It's Korean fried rice. But today a weird thing is we're gonna be making it in a waffle machine. So I tried making lots of things in the waffle machine and some of them turned out really good and some of them didn't. But this, I'm sure it's gonna come out delicious because I've tried it before. Anyway, so what you need is ham, optional, carrots, also optional, onions, also optional. So basically you can grab anything, any vegetable or anything from your fridge that you think will taste good and just put it, dice it into little pieces and just put it in. So what you need is a bowl, optional vegetables, and I'm putting in ham for a bit of seasoning, an egg, some instant rice or rice, and some oil and a brush for the waffle machine, and of course a waffle machine. And you also need a bit of chicken stock if you want your Korean fried rice to be a bit more seasoned. So you can just put a pinch of chicken stock or a pinch of pepper or salt, but honestly oyster sauce is really good, but right now we're just gonna use chicken stock because everyone has chicken stock, right? Okay, so let's get started. So right now, I'm gonna go microwave the rice. Microwave it for 1 minute, please. Okay, my dad microwaved it, so let's get started. Okay, I open it, put that in the trash. Okay, dump the rice in the bowl. This is a big spoon, but I'll just use it. Let's just dump all of the rice in the bowl. There we go. And then I'm gonna put the ham, carrots, and onions in there. I'm just gonna use my hands. Ham is so good, I love ham. Ham, oily. And then carrots. Sprinkle. And then of course the onions. I have a bit of leftover onions, so I'm just gonna put this much in, and then I'm gonna start mixing it. And then I'm gonna put the egg in. Give me a minute. Okay, now I'm gonna clean up, just wait a minute. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. Pop the yolk, pop the yolk, pop the yolk, stab it, yep. And then start mixing. Keep mixing until it's like sticky and like kind of like stew, I guess, but like less watery. And it's really satisfying to mix, so I think you'll like this. And make sure there's no chunks of rice or like ham, just make it smooth. Okay, I'm done mixing now, so I'm gonna put, because my hands are small, I'm gonna put 2 pinches, but adults usually put about 1 pinch because their hands are big. 1 pinch. Finish it with a flourish. 2 pinch. And then I'm gonna continue mixing. Okay, once it's finished mixing like this, you are gonna get your waffle machine, put it up to like about medium, and then open it, of course. And then because it's gonna stick, the rice is gonna stick, get a little brush. I think you should have one in your kitchen. Dip it in some oil and just, not too much in one spot because that spot is gonna be oily if you put fried rice, just a little bit on each side. And because with this amount, I should be able to make about two small ones. Okay, now I'm done oiling the waffle machine and I'm gonna wait until it gets hotter, okay? So if it gets hot, this thing is gonna turn green and we can put it in, okay? Okay, so it's on green and it's ready, so I have to do this really fast. Woo! You see the smoke? I'm just gonna get half, about. Put it in the middle. Oops. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna press it so it's a bit circular. And now I'm gonna close it. I love that sound, it's so perfect. And now I just have to wait until it turns green again. Oh, it smells really good. You can hear it cooking. You hear it? If you like it crunchy, then you can cook it a little bit more. If you like it soft, you can cook it a little bit less. It depends on what kind of food you like. I like soggy French fries, but I like crunchy stuff too. So I'm just doing medium. It's just so cool how it just goes between your fingers like that. And my mom says humidity is good for your skin. Tastes like ham. And it's green, so it's time to take it out. It looks just like a hash brown, doesn't it? I want it to be like a crispy hash brown dough, so I'm gonna do a little bit more. It looks like a hash brown too. It depends on the waffle machine, but it usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes to make the Korean fried rice waffle. It's really cool how it makes it. Okay, I think this one's done, so I am gonna... It's done perfectly. You want me to flip it? I'll flip it if you want. Woo, it's beautiful. Ta-da! It looks just like a hash brown waffle. We made one once. Okay, another oil coating just in case. This is the last one. This one's gonna be a bit big. I'm attempting to make it round because the last one was a bit rickety. Round, come on, be round. You shall be round. Yes, it's a bit round. Okay, now let's press it. Cross your fingers that it's gonna be round. I just love that sound. We put a lot of rice in this time, so we're taking 4 minutes, but let's see how it's been doing so far. It's round. It's round. Anyway, just like 30 more seconds, I think, and then we'll be done. 5, 3, 2, 1. And then let's stop. Open, and it's beautiful. Okay, let's take it out now. Flip, 3. Oh wait, it flipped without me flipping it. Ta-da! Round, a beautiful. Ta-da! This is the Korean fried rice waffle. I personally think I need ketchup, so I'm gonna try my best to try and sprinkle it across, but I'm not really good at like fancy stuff. Here we go. Ta-da! It looks delicious, doesn't it? Oh my god. And if you're late for work or school, you can wrap it with napkins, or you can just get it with some sandwich paper, and you can just run out the door just eating it, and it's quite comfortable too, but it might be a little hot. It smells just like hash browns for some reason. Let's eat. I need the one on the bottom because the first one is too beautiful. outside is crunchy, and that bite had some ham in it, and it's so good. But the inside is soft like a hash brown. It actually tastes like a hash brown, but more crunchy. That's good. This is really easy to make, simple. It tastes so good. And it's really quick and easy. So if you're a mom and your kids always late for school, just whip up this real quick and just give it to your child, and they'll run out the door and be like, thanks, Mom. Okay? So I hope you enjoy my recipe, and I will see you next time. Bye!